Are you tired of being bored all the time? Don't you just want to go outside and explore the deep ocean floors?
Well, come and visit the Benthic Zone.
Located at the bottom of any lake or ocean, it can be easily accessed depending on which body of water you are in.
But for today, we will be taking you to the Mariana Trench, one of the ocean's deepest points.
The Mariana Trench is located on top of two spreading tectonic plates in the Pacific Ocean.
The plates are subducted when they collide with one another, and one plate goes underneath the other plate.
Now here are some cool things that you'll see when you visit the Mariana Trench. The bottom of the trench has many hydrothermal vents that are formed by subduction along the steep rocky floors. Hydrothermal vents at the deepest part of the Mariana Trench are the defining abiotic features.
So far, nobody knows what the average precipitation over the Mariana Trench is.
However, we do know that the temperature at the surface of the water is very different from the temperature at the bottom. The temperature can be as low as 34 to 37 degrees Fahrenheit away from the vents and up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit around the hydrothermal vents.
Since typhoons in Japan are very dangerous, we would have you travel to the Mariana Trench during April, since most typhoons occur during the fall.
But the ideal time to travel to the Mariana Trench is whenever the waters are calm, since rough seas are dangerous to travelers.
Unlike many other places you've been to, the Mariana Trench does not have dogs constantly barking at you.
Instead, you'll see vent crabs scuttling around hydrothermal vents.
And get the chance to look at bacteria and microorganisms under microscopes. Since there aren't as many food sources, organisms have to adapt to living with less nutrition. They also have to be able to live under high pressure since they are living so deeply in the ocean.
Did you know that there is a symbiosis between vent crabs and hydrothermal vents? Hydrothermal vents provide the crab with a home and food.
The relationship is called commensalism. The crab benefits from the hydrothermal vent, and the vent is not harmed.
Another cool thing about our biome is its circle of life. The Benthic Zone is globally important because it provides a home for many different species and also takes a large part in decomposition.
You should visit now. Although climate change doesn't have any known effects on the Mariana Trench, pollution does. Lots of debris and trash sink down and affect the flora and fauna. However, known endangered species exist here. The first days you are there, we will provide you with complimentary meals throughout the day before you embark on your trip. The next day, you will get ready on your 2-hour-long trip down the Mariana Trench, thus exploring the underwater sea. Then, that very same day, you will come back up to the surface, returning from your long day to enjoy our fabulous dinner for you. The next days are all up to you and your packing to leave your wonderful journey. The total cost of this marvelous trip will definitely not give you second thoughts. All you must do is provide yourself with the trip to Saipan, and we will provide you with the free meals and your free stay at the Fiesta Resort and Spa Saipan. All in all, your total cost will be $2,000 for your travel to the trench, plus your airfare. Just like everything in the trip, because the policies that we are in charge and everything that happens during your travel, and hereby have to tell you our State Department warnings for your travel to your body.
No pregnant woman. Adults only. Cannot be claustrophobic. No history with heart attacks.